It's me, Jay, with the beard, and I'll cut you off before I cut my beard. So don't ask me. What's going on, guys? So I want to talk about washing your beard. I usually wash my beard, I would say every other day or every 2 days. You don't want to be washing your beard every day. I find that does a lot more damage than good. Every other day or every 2 days, you give it a nice wash and then reapply your products in there, like your oil and stuff like that, after you've made sure it's nice and clean, and what you're adding could get right down in there and down to the skin to help keep your beard nice and healthy. I will say this: if you are in environments or your daily routine causes you to sweat, so you're working out as an example and you're sweating often, or you work in environments where there's a lot of dust in the air that may get trapped in the beard. Things like sweat and dust do get trapped in the beard, and it'll build up and stuff like that, which can cause it to get itchy and so on and so forth. So if that's your situation, I would suggest that you wash the beard a little more often, just to make sure that it doesn't get itchy and stuff like that. You don't want to be adding products to a dirty beard. So if you haven't washed your beard, as much as you should be, I wouldn't recommend you go and add oil to it or add balm to it or whatever it is that you're using. That's not good either. Again, that causes a lot of buildup, which can result in like skin irritation and itchiness and stuff like that. So don't try to hide a dirty beard by adding more product. It's the best thing to do is as little product as possible and keep the beard nice as clean as often as you should be, or as often as you can. Alright guys, in this case, less is more. Only use what you gotta use. Alright, don't overdo it with the products at all. It just causes damage, to the skin and to the beard itself. Alright guys, thanks for listening. Like, comment, subscribe. The links in my description are the products I use. Try them out. Let me know how they work for you. Until next time, it's me, Jay, with the beard, and I'll cut you off before I cut my beard. So don't ask me.